Okay, so right in here I'll just take my little X-Acto, pull that little extra piece out. Then I'll just have to touch up the buttercream there. And then just stretch the fondant down a little bit to have it meet back up with the cake there. Okay, and then I'm going to take this acetate and I'm going to trim it up a little bit so that it doesn't have any sharp corners. And then I can come back this way. And just smooth that out a bit. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put his face on. I'm going to use fondant for that just because I think it's easier than getting all the different bags of buttercream since we don't need that many. So I'm just going to take some white fondant, roll it into a ball, and then put my finger right in the middle, roll back and forth, and make more of a oval shape, and then flatten it. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger here by stretching it out. If you have cutters that are oval, you could certainly use cutters. Might make it faster for you. Okay, and we'll put one eye right about here. Okay, so then I need another one the same size. Turn around so you can see it. Fingers in the middle, and then start to flatten it. Sometimes I'll actually line the balls up next to each other first, just so that you can see if they're the same size before you put it on, but you can also just take this and go right over to it, and looks a little, there we go. Okay, then I was going to give him some blue eyes, so I'll just take a little bit of this blue. I think this is a little dark, so let me take a little blue, mix it with some more white. Okay, and then we'll take a couple more balls, smaller than the first ones. This one's a little bigger, so let me take some of that off. Same shape, finger in the middle, go back and forth, flatten it a little bit. Place that right on top in the lower portion. This looks about the same. Okay, and then we're going to take a little bit of black and just roll that into a ball, flatten it a little bit, and place it right on top. Looks like this one's a little bigger. I kind of like the bigger one, so let me take this off, just add a little bit more to it, and just pop it right back on there. Okay, we'll give it some eyebrows.